A chargeback happens when a customer disputes a payment with their bank, and you as the merchant pay the fees and suffer from losses. According to Fit Small Business, global chargeback volume reached 238 million in 2023 and is expected to surge 42% to 337 million by 2026. How to prevent chargebacks before they happen. Leverage AI-powered fraud prevention tools like Fraud Labs Pro to detect and block high-risk transactions. Fraud Labs Pro automatically screens all transactions, flagging suspicious ones for a review or even outright rejecting them. Secure your business with 3D Secure and address verification. 3D Secure adds OTP verification to prevent unauthorized payments, while address verification checks whether the billing address matches the cardholder's records or not to detect fraud. Quick and responsive customer support can resolve disputes, offer live chat, email, or phone support to address customer concerns immediately. Displaying clear refund and return policies reduces confusion. Ensure customers acknowledge these policies before completing their purchase. Many chargebacks occur because customers don't recognize the charge on their statement. Use a clear business name and provide contact details to prevent disputes. Start preventing chargebacks with Fraud Labs Pro for free today.